Tips to help you make more money with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a surprisingly fun and easy way to make some extra cash in this hard economy. If successful, it can even become your primary source of income. But if you are interested in starting an affiliate program, you might not know where to start, or you may have questions. This video tries to answer some of those questions and guide you to success. Many people overlook the power of the blog. Blogs aren't just for trading recipes anymore. They are an active and vital marketing tool that can reap great rewards for those who use them. By engaging your potential customers, you can show yourself as a knowledgeable seller who realizes the value of the consumer. Make sure that you like and trust the product you are asking your audience to click on. If you are heavily promoting items that are not good or spamming your page with every type of program imaginable, people will stop coming. It's your repeat visitors that will make or break you. Don't lose their trust in you. Do not get caught out advertising products for a merchant that will not ship to your website's visitors. On the internet, it is easy to forget how big the world is, and not all of the affiliate marketing partners you can join up with ship all the way around that world. Do not waste time on an advertiser that cannot ship to countries where the majority of your visitors live. Base your review and promotion of the product on your personal experience. If you have not tried the product yourself, ask someone who has to help you write a review. Look for comments and discussions about the product online. If you see a lot of negative impressions about the products, perhaps you should not promote it at all. There are thousands of affiliate sites on the web, but only a few are relatively successful. The most important aspect of affiliate sites is your personal involvement and effort. If you follow these tips to improve your sites persistently, then you will surely see a huge difference between your site and others. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.